To assemble the pasta maker, you're going to place the bin into the canal. Make sure that the large circle is facing out.
Or cavity.
Push it all the way in so that it is flush with the front of the mixer. Going to take the auger. There is a square on the back. It is going to be fed into the square in the machine. You take your face plates with the U pointing down and guide it over the auger and onto the 2 pins in the machine. Push to hear a click. You're going to take your desired pasta noodle. Today we are doing fettuccine. And you'll notice there's a notch on the side as well as on the machine. Line those up and push until you hear a click.
Oh, that was a big, quick click.
You take the face plates with the screws, line them up. Okay, hold it in while you turn these clockwise. Until they are tight. You are then going to insert the top. You're going to guide the 2 pins into the back of the machine and then push down.
Ta-da! Action.
Floor? Okay, to start your pasta machine, you're going to turn on the power and you're going to choose your desired pasta type, plain or egg, using the button with the 3 dots and the triangle. So we are doing a plain pasta. So we want the top one, the bottom would be the egg. We're going to open the lid by pushing the front lever and pulling it out, and we're going to add in our flour.
How much flour is that? Nice.
250 grams of flour.
Okay.
I'm going to reinsert the lid, and the liquid amount will appear on the top, 95 milliliters. We are going to use our measuring cup to 95 milliliters. So with the liquid that you're adding, if you chose the egg option, the milliliters will be the egg plus the water, not just the water. It's the egg with addition to the water. We are going to press play. So this play button, and I'm going to slowly add the water into the top. It is normal to have the pasta be crumbly at the very beginning. Do not add any extra liquid to this process. After about 3 minutes, you should see some dough start to extrude from the front. Best to cut off the beginning and put it back in the mixer, as it's probably still a little crumbly. It's coming out. It's not dry.
And then you're gonna like cut off the first little bit, and then it should be all even coming out after that, or as much as we.
I did this.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go. Just shape all that again, like this, and then it should be fine. Hopefully.
Still coming out.
Keep them.